Mr. Robert Basso, who is a Christian and believes in one God. If I do good works and help your community, do I still have to become Ahmadi to go to heaven?
If you do good works for the sake of Allah, you do not have to help our community at all to go to heaven. What is our community? It is the service to God and service to mankind which will be appreciated by God. And the Holy Quran positively relates this, that if you believe in one God and in the hereafter and do good deeds, whatever the name of your faith be, you may be granted full pardon and full reward of your services by Allah. It's up to Him who knows what passes in the hearts. So there is no question of serving any particular community. You go ahead and serve the mankind, but just for the sake of God.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Summa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina, Summa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina, Nabiyyi Muhammadin. Summa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina, Nabiyyi Muhammadin.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Summa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina, Summa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina, Nabiyyi Muhammadin. Summa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina, Nabiyyi Muhammadin.